Waxsol ear drops. Waxsol ear drops contains docusate sodium. Docusate is a type of medicine called a laxative. Now uses of Waxsol. Waxsol is used to help remove earwax in adults and the elderly. Use in children under 12 years only on medical advice. What's earwax? Itching, painful ears, hearing loss. Ringing in the ears or muffled sounds could be a sign of earwax buildup. Ear care. The shape of the ear canal makes it difficult to clean. Because of the delicate nature of the ear, cotton buds and other instruments should never be inserted into it. Waxsol is used to soften and remove the earwax. How to use the drops? Only use the drops 4 nights at a time. Place a cotton wool plug in the ear. The best time to do this is before you go to bed. Gently drip Waxsol into your blocked ear until it is full. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Waxsol can be used if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Do not use Waxsol if you have a perforated eardrum or hole in your eardrum. Your ear is sore or inflamed.